Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fine. So, today from Standard 7 English Medium, chapter number 3rd. What is the chapter name? The chapter name is pronouns. And I already discussed with some of the pronouns. And today I am going to tell you about the reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns and emphatic pronoun. So first I am going to discuss with you that reflexive pronouns. Okay, now see what is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns. Pronouns such as which pronouns at last the word self and selves comes, Pronouns such as myself, herself, yourself, itself, themselves, ourselves, they always refer to the subject. They always refer to the whom? Refer to the subject in a sentence. Not talk about that, but refers to the subject in a sentence. And what they are called? Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object refer to the same person. The subject and object. What? Subject and object both refers to the same person. So keep it in your mind, subject and object refers to the same person. Here see the examples are given of what? Of the reflexive pronouns. See, Jeba managed to save herself. Jeba as a subject and as object. Save. Manage herself. Jeba manage herself to save it. Okay, so the both refers to each other. Now comes the second example. What does the second example say? We must boost ourselves during times of crisis. Okay, we must boost ourselves. What? They are going together, refers to the same person. We and ourselves. We and ourselves. Boost it. What? During the times of crisis. Number third example. See, please you help yourself. Okay, here you given in the blank, but here talk about please help yourself means who? You yourself help. See here in these pronouns herself, ourselves, yourself, okay, refers to Jeba, here refers to we and refers to you respectively. So this is the reflexive pronouns. Okay, now comes to the second exercise. What? Second number. Second number here, look at it. The person given number and gender. Reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. But I am going to talk about the emphatic pronoun just now. Okay, then comes to the discuss with this emphatic pronouns. Okay, emphatic and reflexive both pronouns are means both the forms were same. Emphatic pronouns are used to put emphasis, put stress on it, put emphasis, these right round it, the name, emphasis on the subject. Okay, emphatic pronouns are used to put emphasis on the subject. Their forms is the same as that of reflexive pronouns, means the same as myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourself, and themselves. These selves are same as used as reflexive and emphatic pronoun, but difference between these emphatic and reflexive pronouns are, in emphatic pronouns use where put stress on the subject, emphasis on the subject. That is the difference. And in reflexive pronouns, what? Subject and object refers to the same person. Okay, subject and object refers to the same person. That is the difference between these two. Now see the example of emphatic pronoun. Here, Gayatri herself did the work within an hour. See, Gayatri herself. Here, emphasis what? Emphasis herself. more important, given the put stress on the Gayatri, did the work within an hour. Now number second, you yourself checked this in the morning. You yourself, given the stress it here. Okay, do it this in the morning. Now in here given in the above examples, the words herself, yourselves are used to put emphasis on the do. Do means the subject. Okay, given the means the put the praise on the subject, stress on the subject of the action, that is the subject done. Okay, now here given the exercise. See, put a circle around the pronouns in each sentences and say whether they are reflexive or emphatic. What you do here? You do the circle around the pronouns. Which pronouns? This one, reflexive and emphatic pronoun, and identify it whether these sentences are emphatic pronouns or which reflexive pronoun. Now let's see the first one. Okay, my elder brother cooked my birthday meal himself. Here talk about not me, my elder brother. What elder brother? Talk about the elder brother. He cooked my birthday meal. Okay, himself. So here put stress of himself, means my elder brother. He cooked himself. He cooked himself. So here this my elder brother puts stress on it. So the first one is here around it. Himself is the pronoun, and the first one is this emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronoun. Now comes to the second. Here, Dia's cat, not talk about Dia. Dia's cat likes to look at itself in the mirror. So here, where you put round here circle, itself is the word. Okay. Now what is here? Dia's cat likes to look at itself in the mirror. So talk about this cat, and here, so this is the reflexive. Don't put stress on it. So the second one is reflexive itself, the circle. Okay, the subject and the object both are same, talking about it, cat itself. Okay. Now number third, the President of India himself is the pronoun, presents the awards on the Republic Day. What? The President of India. The President of India himself and the President of India. Okay, they talk about, then put stress himself. So here this word is, means this pronoun is emphatic pronoun. Now comes to number 4. Number 4, John bought himself. So here himself, put round here himself, a nice shirt to celebrate his success. Okay, he was a successful person, so he put himself here stress. So stress himself, John emphasis himself. So the fourth one is emphatic pronoun. John bought himself a nice shirt to celebrate his success. He got success, that is why put stress on, emphasis on himself. So this sentence, himself, the word is emphatic pronoun. Comes to number 5. What? Rini found herself stuck in a huge traffic jam. Rini found herself. So this subject and object, huge traffic jam. Who found it? Rini. Where? In huge traffic jam. Herself is the pronoun. So this one is reflexive pronoun. Comes to number 6. The patient was so critical that the senior doctor himself. Okay, this is the emphasis. The senior doctor himself performed the operation. So this one is emphatic pronoun. Number 6. Number 7. Ali himself. Okay, so the subject puts stress on this pronoun himself. Ali himself washed all his clothes. He doesn't allow his mother to do it for him. So number 7 is emphatic pronoun. Now comes to number 8. Number 8, what? I can look after myself. I can look after myself. Subject and object shows the same. So this is the last one is reflexive pronoun. One more time revision. Let's see. Here I already put circle around the pronouns himself, itself, himself, herself, himself and myself. But here the first word goes through the emphatic pronoun. Number 2 goes through the reflexive pronoun. Number 3 emphatic. Number 4 emphatic. Number 5 reflexive. Number 6, 7 both are emphatic, and number 8 reflexive. So this is the information given, which reflexive and emphatic pronoun. Okay, thank you for listening me.